welcome back to my channel. So today I have like really interesting topic as last time. So today I'm going to making guess what? This is the paper roaster. I made it in yellow color. That's the wish like what color you made it, but I have made it in yellow color. So watch till end so you can know how I just make this ring. So yeah. Next things you need like color papers and only 3 things you need: color papers, scissors, and glue. So really 3 things to make this ring. Before just watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into the video. Everyone like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have no idea what to make next video. If you have any ideas, please comment down below so let me know. And that's it. Take care and bye bye.